In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create to-dos in Basecamp 3. We'll walk through the process from the moment you log in so you can confidently set up tasks for yourself and your team. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create clear, organized to-dos that keep your projects moving forward. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and head to the project where you want to add tasks. On your Basecamp home screen, you'll see a list of all your projects. Click on the project that needs new to-dos. It's helpful to double-check that you're in the right project before adding anything, so you don't accidentally create tasks in the wrong place. Once you're inside the project, look for the To-Dos section. This is usually displayed as a tab or card labeled To-Dos. Go ahead and click that. The To-Dos area is where all your task lists live, so this is where you'll create, organize, and manage the work that needs to be done. Inside the To-Dos section, you'll see one or more to-do lists. Choose the list where you want your new task to go. Once you're in that list, look for the option that says Add a To-Do or Add Item and click it. This will open the form where you set up all the details of your task. Start by giving your to-do a clear, actionable title. Instead of something vague like proposal, try Draft Project Proposal or Review Proposal with Team. A specific title makes it easier for everyone to understand what needs to happen at a glance. Next, use the description or notes area to add more context. This is a great place to include instructions, links to related documents, or any background information someone might need to complete the task without asking follow-up questions. Then, assign the task to a person on your project. Pick the team member who is actually responsible for doing the work. Assigning tasks clearly helps avoid confusion and ensures accountability. Set a due date so everyone knows when the work needs to be finished. If it's something that happens regularly, you can also make the to-do repeat on a schedule, which is handy for recurring tasks. You can also add subscribers. These are people who aren't responsible for completing the task, but who should be kept in the loop on updates and comments. When everything looks good, click the Save or Add button to create your to-do. Your new task is now part of the project's workflow and ready to be worked on.